So Will here has a bike tire that's flat. Yeah, this is my oldest boy. When I was 12 years old, I could change my own bike tire. But in today's society, kids don't really do stuff for themselves anymore. They don't learn these things. So I think this is something that's kind of important that we need to pass on. So he's going to be the star of this YouTube video. He's going to learn how to change a bicycle tire in inner tube.
It's on this wheel. Missy.
Is the other one, is it not, is the other one not flat?
It's just this one.
That one has air in it?
Flat. And it's the broken one.
Squeeze that one.
Yeah, I got air in it.
It may have a hole in it too. All right, you need to turn it upside down.
The whole bike?
Yeah.
That way. Turn it upside down.
Yeah, so it's going to be sitting on its handlebars and the seat.
Okay.
Yeah, if I hook
Watch out.
Alice, you just get back, baby girl.
But I want to
Yeah, turn it around like this.
I know.
From the leaf.
Look. Perfect. Bandit, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that. You get a skid mark on your nose. You need 2 pairs of pliers. We'll see if he brings out the right thing.
Are you recording her?
What are you doing?
Riding a bike.
Riding a bike?
This
What-
has
what are
the
you doing?
exact same bottom as this one.
Riding a bike.
Yeah. That is it.
And I got this.
Yeah, good job, bud.
You can go get the WD-40 off the
Oh, work it, girl, work it.
Hey. I'm going to pump you
I
up.
do it, but you up.
Is it getting hard?
Yes.
Yeah, use your muscles.
Yes. I can see it.
You are using it. Oh,
You did it the wrong way. You did the brake.
Oh, yes.
oh yes.
Oh yes.
That's the WD one.
Yeah, that's
Good
it.
job. This is WD-40. Good job.
It's working.
It working. Yeah, it doesn't go backwards. That's a brake.
Yes. The microphone.
It's a microphone.
It's a microphone.
Yeah, but you got 2 turntables.
A microphone.
A
I
microphone.
did microphone.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, it's time to get to work.
Get that WD-40.
Do it.
Actually, can you go get a box real quick so we're not getting oil all over the porch? Put it under it. Long ways. There. All right, get the WD-40.
WD-40.
So we gotta get this wheel off to get the inner tube off. So when I was your age, we didn't have these pansy guard things. You don't want to be a pansy, do you? We'll just take it off.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That one's pretty empty. Yeah, these are all kind of rusted. So you just spray it a little bit and keep it on there. Get it right on there so you're not spraying the oil all
Press
over.
on this thing.
Yeah, but get it right there. Just a little bit. No, that's not a little bit, but okay. All right, get a screwdriver.
Take them off. No pansy thing for me.
Get like a little 2-cupper bowl, please.
Take this one off. Sorry if I put too much on it.
It's fine.
Take this pansy thing off. You called it a pansy thing.
No,
There it goes.
you gotta be careful when you take off the screws.
Got
They'll fall off, you can lose them.
A little cheaper.
Put it in bowl so don't lose it. See how the chain is slack?
Yeah.
Should be able to remove it off the wheel.
Okay. Move it off the wheel.
What?
That works perfect.
There you go. Now you can take the
Bring it
wheel
right
off.
Close to the laundry room, and we'll start laundry.
You know how when you turn the pedal backwards and it stops it? That's this. This is the brake.
Okay.
So take the brake off. Turning. You gotta push it hard. You strip out the screwdriver.
Take that. You mean brake?
Alright.
Boom, and the wheel goes off.
You get the tire out. No. You gotta get the tire off first. So see how loose it is? Yeah. You hold this. Oh, okay, you got it. Yeah, you got it.
Just go.
And there it is. Pull it off.
Wow. That
So pull the inner tube out.
girl. Imagine driving on a road with this. The inner tube.
Yeah, you just start it back up.
Open this lid.
Babe.
Looks so weird. Hey, look, Mom, it has the wheel.
Babe. What is that? It's like a wrench? You're like using, are you taking off the tire with it? Okay.
Take that.
Come off.
There. And then I have
No, you don't need it.
another inner tube. This one.
All right.
You just need to stick it in there.
Yep, stuff it in there.
That's one by your eyes. I'm not getting that one.
Rubber with this.
All right. So take your cap off. John. Not right now.
I'm really busy.
Put in the holder. All right, so you got to get that lined up with the hole here. Good. Yeah, it has to go in there. So what you're going to do now is to get it in here, you need to get one side of the tire on here. So let's go ahead and do this side. So you need to get the tire all the way in the ring, and don't make sure you gotta be careful. You need to keep that in there, but you can't pinch the inner tube. You can put another hole in it. No, you're going the wrong way. You're wanting it in there like this.
Okay, in there.
So slowly work. Look what I'm doing. Just work this inside. Now go get the pump. So here's the test. Which way does it go on?
This way.
Why is it going that way?
Because this thing should be there.
Yep. And what is that?
Brake.
Yep.
Okay. on the wrong side.
That's fine.
Okay.
Watch your fingers.
Alright. Boom.
It's kind of loose though. Yeah, I guess that's fine. There you go. I think it's good.
Nope, it's not good.
It's good. You don't have to.
Now try it. Do you wobble? Kind of. Yeah, it's still wobbling.
Yeah, I think it's because the tire's bent. All right, air up the other tire.
I hate it when it does that.
You always, when you're locking that down, make sure that the stem stays straight, or you can break your stem off.
Oops.
All right,
That is strong.
take it off. Pull over here.
Thank you. Put it on.
Whoa! So what do you think?
I like it.
Like what?
My bike. Thank you for helping, Dad.
How much help did it give you? Did you do most of it yourself?
Kind of. Yeah, pretty much. But you like helped with the screw like thing.
Yeah, I had to start some of them for you.
Yeah. Cause sometimes my fingers are just too puny. Too puny.
What he needs is fixed, doesn't
Yeah, I think John needs his bike wheel aired up because it's making that weird noise that my front wheel used to do.
How does it make you feel to fix something on your own?
How does it make you feel to fix something on your own?
Yeah.
It feels kind of great if you're like me, like that you want to build stuff. But I don't really build any stuff. I only take wood and lean it against things and pretend that's me building.
Did you think?
But this I actually started building with.
When I said that you're gonna fix it, what did you think? Did you think you'd be able to do it?
Kind of, but I'm also like, yee!
Did you think I
Yeah,
was just gonna do everything and then you were gonna watch it?
No. I thought I might do a little bit of work and you would like do the rest.
But you did. I did a little bit of work and you did the rest, right?
Yeah. It's the complete opposite.
You ready to learn how to change the oil on a car?
Okay.
Zoinks!
Thanks for watching our video. See you next time.
Hosanna, what are you doing?
Then I wheel.
You spinning it?
Yeah, I need to work.
You gonna make it work?
Yeah.
You gotta put it up on its handlebars.
She can't do that with this big.
It'll do it. Okay. Oh, no.
Cozy and I do it too.
The wife was right. It don't work. You did. Can you lock it? Yeah.
No.
Oh well.
It can't work.
It's working.
It can't work.
Alright.